Okay, so back to this. We wrote an amount here for 3057 from the airport that we forgot to write down in our register. Then there's a bank fee that we don't know until we actually get the bank statement. So if we update that, it would be 614 minus 3057 goes down to 583.52. Now, if I subtract that $3 fee, now we go down to 580.52. And then I received a dividend from a stock. So I'm gonna add those 50 cents. So my total will come out to 581.52. So now what we've done is that we've put all the amounts that we might have missed from our bank statement into our register, and we came up with our new balance. Now to balance the checkbook, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take that plus the missing amounts from the bank statement, and we will use this to balance it out. So let's start off with the balance on the bank statement. And coming down here, the balance on the bank statement is 439 with $24. So we're going to write 439 with $24. So we're going to look at the deposits that are not on the bank statement. So if you notice, we have a deposit here on the 30th that did not show up in our bank statement. The reason why is because the bank statement most likely came out before the bank was able to process that deposit, so it doesn't show up. So what we're going to do is we're going to add that deposit of 1,206 with 78 cents. So when we add 1,270 and 78, when we add that to the deposits from above, the beginning balance, so it would be 1,206 with 78 cents plus 439. We come up with 1,646 with 2 cents. Now what we're going to do is we're going to write down the checks that have not been withdrawn. And by that, we wrote checks, and as you can see, there's a couple ones there, like the 350 for the deposit and the 715 for both our fund, that do not show up. Now what happens is that we wrote out a check, but the people that we gave the check to have not cashed the check. So it hasn't been withdrawn from our account. So that's 350, I believe, and 715, if I'm correct. Yes, 715 and 350. So the total of those 350 plus 715 is 1,065. We're going to move the balance down here. So that's 1,646. And we're going to subtract 1,065 from that. So if we subtract 1,065, is 1,646.02, and we subtract 1,065, we will actually come out with the amount from our register, which is 581.52. And now we add balance our checkbook.